Welcome everyone to the first edition of Italy Corporate Day by Euroland Corporate. I'm really pleased to have here with me Massimo Mauri, the CEO of Seco SpA, that is one of the Europe leading company in development, edge cutting solutions for industrial, digitalization. So I'm really happy to have you here because especially right now, in a world where artificial intelligence, digitalization, is taking place. You're really well positioned. Seco is well positioned, to seize all the opportunity the market is offering. So really, really happy to have you here.
I'm really happy too. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you. Before we dive in, just to introduce Seco a little bit, if you want, briefly introduce what Seco is doing, the sector, your core business.
Yes, it's a pleasure for me. Seco, it's an high-tech company working towards the digitalization and the simplification of the usage of the AI directly on the machine. I think our core competence is to design and produce internally digital product computer, basically with a touch screen, all the electronic components, as well as our software framework CLEA that enable customers to run AI models into the device and to use the data that the device are generating to make money out of them.
Yeah, perfect. So if you wanted just to say in a few words what your capabilities, your technology make you unique in terms of value proposition, what do you think it would be?
I think the capability to integrate different kind of technology, starting from the design of the motherboard, going through the touch display, all the mechanical integration, and being able to offer an end-to-end solution, also putting the software on top of it, is what really makes Seco unique.
Right. It's honestly, it's a good market, a lot of opportunities coming up. And how do you think, Seco is positioned? How do you think, it can actually take advantage of all these opportunities? What are the strategic initiatives that you're, putting into place?
So our market, according to Gartner, Bain, it's a market very large. It's a 20 billion market, even if it's very highly fragmented. So we with our 200 million in revenue are more or less top 5 in terms of dimension. Okay. So there are many opportunities in becoming bigger and bigger, attracting bigger customers and scaling up the business, not only with an organic growth, which I think could be double digit also for the next 3-5 years, but also adding strategic M&A on top with the aim to create an European leader in this important technology market that will be relevant even more in the near future.
Okay. And can you say, because of course a lot of opportunities, you're definitely well positioned, and more concretely, there are a lot of projects that you are developing, they are ongoing. We know a lot of visibility from now also, like 2026, 2027. Can you mention a few projects or new things that you're actually developing right now?
Yes, I think one is for sure the next generation of HMI, which is called Modular Vision. We will launch it in the market in November. It's a family of modular HMI from 7-inch to 21-inch of dimension that will cover almost 80% of the total market demand. It will be modular not only in terms of screen size, but also in terms of computational power. You can easily use Qualcomm or Intel or NXP or MediaTek as a processor, so you as a customer can really compone by yourself your HMI, and we can product it in series as a standard product.
Okay.
In terms of digitalization and faster the use of the AI on the device, we on the January the 1st, 26, we will launch our App Hub, which will be an app store collegated to CLEA. Using the framework CLEA, you can basically deploy a AI model directly on the device and distribute them across all the device that a customer have on a field. It will generate additional revenue, additional opportunities, vertical solution. We are creating a nice ecosystem around this app store with developer, system integrator, partners. So it's a nice future what we are expecting to have. Is going to be exciting to continue to work on innovation towards many different solutions that Seco can bring to the customer table.
Amazing. And of course all this, this pipeline, this project, I think they're already, bearing fruits and giving results. If you look at, the H1 2025 results were really excellent, revenue growth, margin growth. So I'm expecting that this growth is continuing. And how can we really translate these results into next goals, objectives, like probably in the next 3, 4, 5? Where do you see Seco? What are the main priorities and goals?
I think looking our results in the first half of 25, we delivered already a good organic growth with an EBITDA in the range of 20 million, equal to 20% of our total revenue. I would expect to see our EBITDA progressively increasing up to 25, which is the mid-term target in terms of EBITDA. In terms of top line, we are expecting to be able to grow double digit for the next at least 3-5 years. And the transformation of the company from an hardware company to an hardware and software company is going in the right direction. And we think software could grow more than the hardware in the next 3-5 years, progressively well balanced the incidence on the two in our results, and potentially unlocking a lot of value for our customer as well for our all stakeholders.
It's pretty clear. And I see that the results are also good, impacting the stock price. I think in the last 1-2 years, the stock price is booming. So in terms of, investment case, what can we say to our audience or investor audience in terms, why they should invest, especially the French market? Why do you think they should invest in Seco? So what are the...
First of all, I'm very pleased to be here in France because we have a large base of institutional French investors into our capital, which is good. I like to be in Paris and to have the chance also to meet investors talking about the technology and the future of Seco. I think Seco is a growth company in a very interesting niche, which is the edge AI niche, that I think representing a very nice opportunity for investors to enter into a technology sector with a strong growth to embrace for the next few years.
Great. Thank you very much, Massimo, for the interview. It was good to have you, and go in the deep dive in the Seco reality. I think there's a lot to grow, a lot of, take advantage of. So it was good to have you.
Thank you very much to you and to everyone.
Thank you, everyone, and we'll see you soon for the next interview. Thank you very much.